Alright guys, today we're going to be cleaning up my top drawer with the Olsa Tools tool grid. So this is what I'm working with now. It's somewhat organized, but nothing stays in place. Alright, so I got the drawer cleaned out. Now we're going to open the grid. Everything's already in a bag, so you know what's what. I like that. So it's going to make it easy. So this is everything that comes in the box. I got my grid, some instructions to show you how to put the grid together, screws, socket holders. I got these gray tool holders. There's 10 in a bag. This will hold extensions, screwdrivers, the end of your ratchet, and this is where your ratchets will go: 1/4, 3/8, and half. All right guys, so this is how the grid goes together. It's got two little knobs, two little slots, and it literally just goes just like that. Put that in, you put that in your drawer. So this is the grid in the toolbox, cut to fit. All right, so what I'm doing is I've got two this length, so I put it in, put that in first, and then I just put this in. All right, so I got all my 3/8 done, my 1/4. Now it's time for the big boys. We're gonna put them right here. Put it in there. Put that one in there, it fits. Now we just gotta put our bottom tool holder. All right, so I got all my extension holders in there. I test fit everything. I haven't screwed anything down yet. I'm gonna like it. First, I've got my locking extensions. I got them up here with my ratchets. Now I've got my swivel extensions. That one went there. I got my 3/8. They all went right here. I got my one long swivel extension, or wobble extension. Alright, so I got my super shallow sockets I'm going to be putting in here. So that's a close-up on them. I had to spread these out a little bit, because they're bigger. Once you get down to the smaller ones, you can put them right next to each other. I like it. So this is my metric. It's blue. Standard is going to be red. And I like the color. I like that you have an option to have red. I didn't think I would like the red and green, but that looks pretty cool, especially with my purple. But this is what it's going to look like. I still got room for more right here, but I'm going to screw these down and do some close-ups with it. All right, so this is the screw that comes with it. They go right there. It takes a T20 bit, screw it down. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's screwed down. And I moved it a little bit closer, so now we can put all of our sockets in it, and I'm gonna screw this row down. Also, it has labels for it too. We got it done. Now all we gotta do is put our sockets. All right, so I seen something I goofed up on. I moved that over so them would fit. And all I had to do was move them this way. I guess I didn't see that corner. But the best part is all I gotta do is unscrew this one and I could put it there and I'll just move them all over. It's that easy. This tool grid is unlimited with any ideas you come up with. Get new tools, you get more tools, just put new pegs in. That's all you gotta do. All right, so this is the labels. I've already put some on, but it comes with 4 of them, so that's pretty good. And I must say I'm a lot better at mechanicking and welding than I am at putting labels on. Don't judge. All right, so I done went and figured something else out. You probably know what this is for right here. But check this out. If I do it right. There we go. Perfect for your crow's feet. Coming there. Look at that. That's perfect. So y'all remember the before, this is the after. I love that right there. That's so cool. Nothing moves, everything's in place, and I don't even have them screwed down yet. Only this is screwed down. So it's definitely cool. I like it. You could do all kind of different stuff with it. They've got wrench holders, the socket holders, the tool holders. You could do screwdrivers in these too. So y'all check them out, olsatools.com.